Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a quick unboxing to share with you. This is an item from Chanel's new collection, the 21S collection. This is a bit of a kind of ridiculous item, to be honest. I'll be the first to admit that, but I'll unbox it and then you can see what I mean. Yeah, let's get right into the unboxing so you can see what silly item I picked up. So this is a true unboxing, and this I have not seen this in person, it just arrived. So let's open it up. I have resisted this type of item up until now, so we'll see what it's like. All right, as you can see, it is an SLG, but it has a chain, so to reveal. So here is my little card holder on chain. So these, let me just take a look here. These items I have found to be a little bit silly, kind of novelty items, but they seem to be really popular. They seem to be really popular with Chanel right now, but I had kind of resisted them because I didn't think they were that useful, but when I saw the ones with the pearl on top, I just thought it was so cute. So I thought I'd give it a try, and this one actually goes crossbody, which some of them don't, so I thought that I'd give it a try. It would actually be somewhat useful. Let's look at let's see. It is a 31 series. And it's basically like a big card holder. It's got a big compartment here, and it does have some depth to it, so it looks like it'll fit like cards and probably a car key and maybe even a lip balm or something. It's got a pocket here as well. No pocket on the back though, and it's black caviar with light gold hardware. And yeah, the thing that drew me to it was this pearl, the pearl on top. I really wanted the green one, but I wasn't able to get that one, and this one's actually larger and has a longer chain, so I thought this would be a little more practical anyway. But yeah, this is just a quick little unboxing to show you this. What do you guys think of these kind of novelty mini or micro, I guess they're more like micro bags or card holders on chain or SLGs on chain? What do you think of these? I know they've been super popular. I've always thought that they wouldn't be that useful, but I don't know. I was suckered into this one, I guess, because of this really cute pearl. I just loved this detail. I don't know what it is about it, but I'll show you the chain. It is actually like pretty substantial considering the size of the bag. It's I guess like a walk type chain. But yeah, it's really cute. I don't know, what do you guys think? I will do a little review and show you what fits and everything. I don't have time to do that now. I just wanted to show you, but yeah, I'll keep it short. Oh, I will share the price information though, because I know I will get asked that. So in Canadian dollars, this was $2,025 plus tax. So yeah, expensive for a card holder, that's for sure. But anyway, I will do a little review and what fits and measure the chain drop and all of that in another video. If you like this type of video and you haven't already, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.